Welcome to the Chronos project. For decades, artificial intelligence was a dream. Now, it's a trillion-dollar race. This is the definitive look at the global AI investment war from 2015 to 2025. Who is funding the future, and who is falling behind? In 2015, the landscape was clear. The USA was the undisputed leader, with a $5 billion head start. The early investment was driven by a global surge in deep learning. Notice how China and the rest of the world immediately begin their chase, laying the foundations for the massive growth to come. The first shockwave hits in 2016. The moment Google's AlphaGo beat the world Go champion, the floodgates opened. This single event proved AI's terrifying potential and instantly escalated the global AI race. Look at China's AI investment. It's now nearly $5 billion, almost doubling its previous total as it rushes to catch the US. By 2017, the investment pace becomes frantic. The major US tech giants like Google are launching foundational new technologies, driving US AI funding over $12 billion. Meanwhile, a quieter player is rising, the rest of the world. The others category is now pulling ahead of the UK, showing the global spread of private capital. The year 2018 brings a breakthrough in natural language processing, the tech behind conversational AI. Google's BERT model transforms the field and fuels more investment. China's AI spending crosses the massive $10 billion threshold, but the US AI investment remains dominant, pushing towards $18 billion as the decade closes. Prepare yourself for the exponential curve. 2019 is the tipping point. The public debut of large language models with OpenAI's GPT-2 sets the stage. See that massive acceleration? The world realizes the scale of this new technology. The USA has now more than doubled its total in just 2 years. The early days of the pandemic cause a temporary investment jolt. While total global investment surges due to AI's role in healthcare and drug discovery, note the slight slowdown in China's AI investment as global supply chains face disruption. The US AI market sees huge capital injections, passing the $40 billion mark. The first commercial tools of generative AI, like GitHub Copilot, begin to arrive. But a key change is happening, a notable dip in China's private AI investment, a major data point often missed. The US continues its relentless climb, while the others category shows massive growth from combined global interest. 2022. This is the year AI becomes a visual force. The launch of DALL-E 2 and Stable Diffusion creates public excitement and a new wave of investor frenzy. The US investment curve steepens dramatically. For the first time, Israel, Canada, and India start to pull away from the UK, showing new centers of innovation. 2023, this is the moment everything changes. ChatGPT is the inflection point. Investment capital explodes globally. Watch the USA line rocket up, propelled by massive funding rounds for foundational model companies. The gap is now a canyon. US AI investment hits a staggering $123 billion by 2025. China's growth is steady, but the US lead is insurmountable in this private funding race. The final tally is in. By 2025, the United States has accumulated over $123 billion in private AI investment. The rest of the world, represented by the others category, now commands a massive $85 billion. The AI investment race is not over, but the data is undeniable. The US dominates the private capital market, driving a new era of exponential tech growth. What country do you think will lead the next decade? Let me know in the comments below.